Welcome back to Factful Finance. Do you ever feel like no matter how much you work, save, and budget, your money just doesn't seem to grow? You're not alone. In fact, according to a recent survey, nearly 80% of Americans live paycheck to paycheck, despite working hard. But here's the kicker. You don't have to keep grinding endlessly to see your bank balance grow. There's a way to make money while you sleep. Imagine waking up every morning and seeing your finances stronger than they were when you went to bed. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, it's not. This is the power of side hustles and passive income. And today, we're going to break it down in ways you can start applying right now. Before we dive in, quick disclaimer. This content is for educational purposes only. Mentioning any apps, products, or services is not an endorsement. Always consult a certified financial professional for personalized guidance. Let's be honest, making money in your sleep isn't some mythical idea. It's a reality thousands of people are tapping into with side hustles and passive income strategies. Now, I know the term passive income gets thrown around a lot, but it's not a one-size-fits-all. So let's break it down into two powerful categories: side hustles and passive income streams. First up, side hustles. A side hustle is essentially any income-generating activity outside of your primary job. Think of it like the extra effort that gives you more leverage. We all know people who've turned hobbies into lucrative side gigs. Take Emma, for example. She started selling custom-designed t-shirts online during her free time. In her first year, she brought in over $20,000 from her side hustle. And it wasn't just a fluke. It was a well-thought-out strategy. But side hustles can be more than just selling stuff online. You could freelance as a writer, offer social media consulting, or even rent out a room on Airbnb. These activities are scalable, meaning the more time you invest, the more money you can earn. The key here is leveraging your skills, time, and assets to create an additional income stream. The best part? Side hustles can be tailored to fit your lifestyle. Now, let's talk passive income. This one is a game changer. Passive income is money you earn with little to no effort once it's set up. It's income that flows in while you're not actively working for it. Think of it as your money working for you, 24/7. One popular passive income method is real estate. It might sound intimidating, but let's break it down. You buy a property, rent it out, and collect rent each month. After a bit of work up front, you've got a steady cash flow that keeps coming in. Or you could invest in a REIT, real estate investment trust, where your money is pooled with others and invested in various properties, giving you returns without having to manage the property yourself. Another powerful form of passive income is dividend-paying stocks. By owning shares of certain companies, you can earn dividends, essentially a portion of the company's profits, paid out regularly. Henry, a viewer of ours, has been investing in dividend stocks for 3 years now. Last year, he earned over $3,000 in passive income just from dividends, all while holding on to his regular job. But here's where it gets interesting. You can combine these strategies. A side hustle could fund your passive income investments. For example, if you start a freelance writing business or sell a product online, you could use the extra cash to buy dividend stocks or put a down payment on rental property. The money you make today can fund your freedom tomorrow. Now you might be wondering, is this really sustainable? Absolutely. But it does require a little patience and discipline. Passive income streams often take time to build up. It's not going to happen overnight, but with consistent effort and smart investment choices, you'll start seeing the results. Plus, once they're set up, the income can keep flowing in with little additional effort on your part. But here's the real kicker. You don't have to start big. Even small side hustles or modest investments can snowball into significant passive income over time. The goal is to get started, no matter how small, and then expand from there. So whether you're renting out a room on Airbnb, writing an ebook, or investing in a dividend portfolio, the key is taking that first step. Today is the best day to start building your financial future. Which of these strategies resonates most with you? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I'm eager to hear your plans and struggles. And don't forget, if you're ready to take your finances to the next level, hit that subscribe button so you never miss a breakthrough. If you found this helpful, You'll absolutely want to check out our next video on maximizing your side hustle profits. Click the video on screen. Let's keep building that wealth together. Remember, this content is for educational purposes only. Always consult a certified financial professional for personalized guidance.